Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw the national flag of Belgium. Let's draw the outline first. Beginning from the top, we're going to draw a straight line. Because the flag is of rectangular shape, so we have to draw a rectangle first. After these parallel lines, let's connect the left point and the right point here. All right. These 2 points you can see here, and another 2 points we're going to connect. All right. There are two separation points because this flag has three colors. So we're putting the border outlines here. So we're going to put three lines and three colors here. The left side is going to be black. First we're putting the colors, then we're going to make the border darken. All right, I'm putting the black to the borders. So making the color as uniform as possible. After that, we are going to put the yellow color to the middle portion. So let's put the color here. First, we are putting the color in the middle, then outlining the border. So the yellow color is done. Now we're going to put the red color to the right side. making a uniform border to the outline. All these separations points are very important, you know. All right. Okay, so you can see the combination of three colors, the black, yellow, and the red. This is the usual flags of Belgium. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. You can also browse through the playlist to get lots of other categories. So there are so many drawings there. You can select your own choices and start learning. Thank you so much. Have a good day.